Welcome back to part 2 of our Booknest tutorial. In this video, we'll go over the latest improvements and enhancements that make the platform more dynamic, user-friendly, and visually engaging. From a new dark mode toggle to smoother animations, these updates take Booknest to the next level. Let's dive in. Previously, Booknest only had a single theme, making it less flexible for users who prefer a darker interface. A dark mode toggle was needed to give users control over the website's appearance, ensuring readability in different lighting conditions. So to fix it, type Add a Dark Mode toggle to the homepage of Booknest. The toggle should allow users to switch between dark and light mode. When in dark mode, the background should be a dark shade with light text, and when in light mode, the background should be light with dark text. Ensure that the toggle is clearly visible and accessible. Also, make sure the mode selection persists when users navigate between pages. Now, the dark mode toggle has been added to the homepage. Users can switch between dark and light mode instantly. Previously, users had to scroll through the entire Browse More Books section to find a specific book. Without a search function, discovering books quickly was difficult. So the prompt used to fix it was to add a search bar to the Browse More Books section, allowing users to search for books by title or author. The search should filter results in real time as users type. Ensure the search bar is prominently placed and visually matches the website's design. Make sure the search functionality is smooth and responsive. To improve book discovery, a search bar has been added to the Browse More Books section. Now users can simply type in a book title or author, and the list updates in real time, displaying only relevant results. In the About Booknest section, the text inside the black boxes was only readable in dark mode. In light mode, the text disappeared due to poor contrast, making it difficult for users to read. The prompt used to fix it was to modify the About Booknest section on the homepage to ensure text inside the black boxes is visible in both dark and light mode. Adjust the background color dynamically based on the selected mode. In dark mode, the background should remain dark with contrasting light text, and in light mode, the background should be a lighter shade with darker text for readability. Now, the background colors in the About Booknest section adjust dynamically based on the selected mode. In dark mode, the background remains dark but with a higher contrast light text. The 4 black boxes in the About Booknest section looked out of place and didn't match the overall aesthetic of the website. The prompt used to fix it was to modify the 4 black boxes in the About Booknest section on the homepage to have colorful backgrounds that complement the overall website aesthetic. Replace the black backgrounds with a visually appealing color scheme that enhances readability and aligns with the site's vibe. Ensure that the text remains clearly visible in both dark and light modes. To improve the visual appeal, the black boxes have been replaced with colorful backgrounds that complement the website's overall theme. Each box now features a unique color that enhances readability while keeping the section visually engaging. Before, users couldn't remove books from their wish list, which meant they had to keep books they may have added by mistake. A remove button was needed for better wishlist management. The prompt used to fix it was to modify the wishlist page to add a remove button for each book. Users should be able to click this button to remove a book from their wish list if they added it by mistake. Ensure the button is clearly visible and styled to match the website's aesthetic. The removal should update the page instantly without requiring a refresh. Now, each book in the wishlist section has a remove button next to it. Users can click it to instantly remove books they no longer want in their wishlist, and the list updates in real time without needing to refresh the page. The homepage looked static and lacked interactive elements to engage users. Smooth animations were needed to enhance the user experience. The prompt used to fix it enhanced the homepage of Booknest with smooth animations and interactive effects to create a more engaging experience. Add subtle hover effects to buttons, links, and book covers. Apply a fade-in effect to sections as users scroll down, ensuring smooth transitions. Implement a slight scaling effect when hovering over books in the Discover section. Make sure the animations are lightweight and do not affect website performance. Now Booknest feels alive. Smooth fade-in animations have been added as users scroll through different sections. Buttons, links, and book covers now feature hover effects, making interactions more engaging. Now that all these changes have been implemented, let's take a final look at Booknest in action. From the dark mode toggle to the smooth animations, every element now works together to provide an intuitive and engaging experience. This walkthrough will give you a full preview of how the platform has evolved with these enhancements. With these updates, Booknest is more powerful, visually appealing, and user-friendly than ever before. Whether you're organizing your personal library, discovering new books, or managing your wish list, every feature is designed to enhance your experience. This marks the completion of our tutorial. But remember, Booknest is always evolving. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and happy reading with Booknest.